Greetings from LSM Academy. In this video we are just going to check what are private functions, how can it be exist. So I'm having a function library here, so which has a public access specifier function which is flogin. So you can call this public function from anywhere of your taste, that is from any actions. So what is private function? So private functions should be declared like this, mentioning private keyword in front of the function. So this keyword makes this function private. So what's the use of private? So private functions cannot be accessed from other files. If you're going to call that private function, QTP or UFT throws an error. That is, you cannot call this private function from any other file, but you can call this function from the same file. So I'm just going to create another function which is public function call f login. I'm just going to call this particular private function from this public function. You can use the call keyword here or just use the function name alone to call that particular function. Now this public function can be called from your test. So on calling this particular public function, we'll call this function libraries call fn login, which in turn calls a private function which is available in the same file. So private functions can be accessed only in the same file, not from any other files. So I'm just going to run this program. So your function get calls which is private from another public function. So this is the use of private functions